Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers. Hello kids, in this video we will learn about 20 different snakes. Are you ready? Let's go. Cobra. This is a cobra. Cobras are snakes known for their hood, which they spread when they feel threatened. They can be very colorful and live in forests and fields. Python. This is a python. Pythons are large snakes that squeeze their prey to catch it. They can be found in forests, swamps, and grasslands. Rattlesnake. This is a rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes have a rattle on their tail that makes a sound when they shake it. They live in deserts, forests, and grasslands. Anaconda. This is an anaconda. Anacondas are one of the largest snakes in the world and live in rivers and swamps. They eat fish, birds, and even large animals like deer. Viper. This is a viper. Vipers have long fangs and can be very colorful. They live in forests, grasslands, and deserts. Vipers eat small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Boa constrictor. This is a boa constrictor. Boa constrictors squeeze their prey to eat it. They live in forests, deserts, and grasslands. They eat birds, lizards, and small mammals. Coral snake. This is a coral snake. Coral snakes are brightly colored with red, yellow, and black bands. They live in forests, deserts, and near rivers. They eat other snakes, lizards, and frogs. King snake. This is a king snake. King snakes are known for eating other snakes, even venomous ones. They live in forests, fields, and deserts. Milk snake. This is a milk snake. Milk snakes are colorful with red, black, and yellow or white bands. They live in forests, grasslands, and farmlands. Green tree python. This is a green tree python. They are bright green and live in trees in rainforests. They eat birds, frogs, and small mammals. Sea snake. This is a sea snake. Sea snakes live in the ocean and have paddle-like tails for swimming. They eat fish, eels, and small sea creatures. Copperhead snake. This is a copperhead snake. Copperhead snakes can blend with dry leaves.